All right, what's going on, guys? Mr. Putnam here. This is going to end up being another tutorial video talking about your grades. So I've already talked about the warm-ups and how that's 10% of your grade. This is videos that you have to watch weekly, and that's also going to be 10% of your grade. All right. I'm going to move myself up into the corner like I did in the last video. Um, with that, I'm just kind of showing you the grade book. It's already set. So these are all the grades you're getting the whole term, okay? Unless we end up going back to school on April 15th, then we'll change it from there and I'll go in and delete a bunch of this. Warm-ups are every day. I talked about that in the last the last video. So make sure to end up going back and watching that. That explains where all of these grades are. The next thing is videos, okay? Um, you have to watch three videos every single week. Okay. So starting Sunday night at 12:01, you have until the following Sunday at 11:59 p.m. All right. Make sure to watch those videos because I'm going to run a report the following Monday, making sure you watch all three videos 100%. So if you look down here, I'm on week 1 videos. And if you hover your mouse, you need to hover your mouse over the eye. You don't click on it, you just move it and let it sit there and it should pop up. It says in the description, topic 1, topic 3, and topic 6. Those are the 3 videos you need to watch. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to get there. You are not going into Teams. The only thing you need to go into Teams and do is for the warm-ups and if you have any types of questions. All right. To get to these videos, you are going to go into Clever. Once you're in Clever, which all of you know how to get to, you go to Algebra Nation. Algebra Nation is where those videos are. So once you click on that, it's going to open up this page. All right. Once you're here, you want to be on videos and more. You see all these other junk tabs that are here? You don't need them. This is the only one that matters is videos and more. Okay. I'm going to scroll down and each week aligns with a section. So section 1 is week 1. Section 2 is the following week. Section 3 is the week after that. Well, I know section 1 is the week coming up, starting on Monday the 30th. And there's a lot of videos in here, okay? So topic 1, this is a video, 2, 3, 4. You can watch all of them if you want, okay? I picked main ones out that have to deal with the assessment that you need to complete, all right? So you just have to watch the videos we just talked about, which I'm going to go back to focus. Look at my eye. It's topic 1, 3, and 6. So topic 1, you need to watch it. Topic 3, you need to watch it. And topic 6. Remember, you have an entire week to do this. Okay? You can do it on Wednesday at 3 in the morning and you're good. All right? You just have to watch those 3 videos. I would recommend taking notes, following along, paying attention, because you will have to end up doing the test yourself as well. That's the next video. This is 10% of your grade to watch topic 1, topic 3, and topic 6. This is 10% of your grade. Warm up is 10%, and this one is also 10%. All right. One more time. If you go to the grade book, and I will post stuff on this on Teams. I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. I will let you know what's coming up. Go to week 1 video. It tells you topic 1, topic 3, topic 6. I have not done the week 2 one yet, so there's nothing there. All right, I'll post it, but I'm still trying to get a lot of other things done. Week 1, topic 3, topic 6. Go to Clever. Algebra Nation is what you're going to click on. It opens it up. And remember, you need to be under videos and more, and you need to watch topic 1, topic 3, topic 6. So right now, out of the 100% of your grade, we've talked about 20%. 10 for the warm-up and 10 for the videos. All right, guys? That's going to end up being it. I'm going to talk to you about the next one.